Hello students, let's continue our value education series with a new lesson titled Leadership Training. The lesson starts with a scene of leadership training workshop. Mr. Sabu came to help the students in this workshop. First of all, he explained the students about a leader. A leader is a person who wins the confidence, love and respect of the people to achieve a common goal and motivates the people to accomplish that goal. Then he said the students to play a game to identify the leadership qualities in them. He said, arrange yourselves into groups of 2. We are going to lead the blind. One of the group members will close his or her eyes with a cloth. The other must lead the person without causing any accident. After 5 minutes, both of them must reach back to their respective seats. Then others will do the same. After completing the games, the children were asked to share their experiences when the eyes were closed and when they were leading the others. Ranu said, I was leading David. He was afraid to walk. He held my hands tightly, then walked. David said, Ranu had given me proper directions, so it was easy for me to walk. Like this, others also shared their experiences and they learned that if we don't plan for ourselves, we will be the losers. So children, arrange the same game with your classmates and identify what leadership qualities you have. Children, we have many world famous leaders as our role models. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was one of them. His life is a message in itself. He said, a leader must have 6 qualities to lead effectively. Number 1, a leader must have a vision. Without vision, one cannot be a leader. Number 2, a leader must be able to travel into an unexplored path. Number 3, a leader must know how to manage success and even more importantly, failure. Number 4, a leader should have courage to make right decisions. Number 5, a leader must have nobility in management. Every action of the leader should be transparent. Number 6, a leader should work with integrity and succeed with integrity. Next example is Sachin Tendulkar. He is the hero of the youth and a role model of a good leader. Once, a famous liquor company invited him for an advertisement offering 25 lakhs. They asked Sachin just to act, not to take liquor. But Sachin said, even if you give me 25 crores, I will not advertise liquors. Many of the youth are imitating me. I cannot be a bad example for them. Sachin considered human hearts more valuable than money. Children, a good leader is a person who knows the path and shows it to others through his or her life example. When we speak about leadership, it is appropriate to think about Saint Chaura, who was a prominent leader of the church and society of the 19th century. Human dignity was his great concern. According to Saint Chaura, a good leader is a good role model. A leader should be innovative and far-sighted. These are the examples of some great leaders. Children, here is one more activity for you. Write down the most powerful leadership qualities you admire in Saint Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi and Rani Lakshmi Bai. Children, a good leader knows that a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Means the strength of the leader is not counted by his or her personal achievements or contributions. But the most important leadership quality is expressed in the way by which the leader empowers, motivates and unites his or her team members, especially supporting the least and the weaker ones. Children, as young leaders, you can develop your leadership qualities in classroom playground, and in every activity you do in school campus. Every school provides ample opportunities to make its students good leaders of the country. There are various opportunities for this purpose, as appointing class leaders or monitors is very common in schools. Teachers give role and responsibilities of leadership in rotation to all the students to train them in leadership. Cupboard in charge, language leader, house leader, activity in charge, etc. are also a part of classroom leadership training system. These roles provide opportunity and training to all the students to come forward and communicate with entire class. These also help the students to handle the responsibilities and daily routine problems of the class. It is a training process to become good leaders. There are various club activities also, as Science Club, Eco Club, Maths Club, Social Action Club are also active in the schools. These club activities encourage leadership qualities and build interest of the students in various subjects. NCC, NSS, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Junior Red Cross, etc. also give opportunities to inculcate leadership qualities in children. Children, let us remember that leadership is not to be served but to serve. You all can become good leaders if you make use of all the opportunities offered by your school. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, means you are a great leader. Thank you.